Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I hope your holiday weekend is going well so far. I am here now with my Saturday morning makes, maybe even a little of Sparkles in June. Saturday morning makes is hosted by Jill Norwood, and Sparkles in June is hosted by Anna White. I don't think she has a July hashtag yet. I had watched a video recently, I didn't see one. So if she did, you can leave it in the comment below, or I'll go to her channel and see if she has something for July. And also, I am featuring Jaded Blossom Goodness for the 4th of July weekend. I just couldn't help but play with the gnomes, and I hope you guys have seen their sale. I'll put the graphic here. Oh, it's a good sale. Unfortunately, though, a lot of stuff is being sold out. But they did say with the girl gnome dies will be restocked on July 10, and the sale ends July 17. 1-7. So if you want the girl gnome die set on sale, go back on the 10th or the 11th and then order it then, and you'll get the discounted price. All right. Alrighty. So let's get started. Okay, crafters, if you watched my last video, which was the steals and deals video. Oh, that was a good video. Boy, it took me forever to make though. It was a lot of looking and telling you guys all the goodies. So like I say, just always check your favorite store just to see if they added something, and maybe some other stores will also add additional discounts closer to the 4th of July. But the one at Jaded Blossom, that one is good. The only thing that's not on sale is their new release. I think it's May, June, July. Those items are not on sale. Alrighty, so here we are with my 4th of July card featuring the male gnome die. So I have my male gnome dies. And if you're watching this for the first time, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. I store all my gnome die sets with the add-ons in scrapbook.com storage envelopes. Right now, I'm up to 3 storage envelopes because it can hold 4 to 5 sets. I don't want it to be bursting at 6-7 sets. It just doesn't make any sense. And I do have all my dies on magnetic sheets and then also in a storage sleeve, okay? I'll put links below for the magnetic sheet, the storage envelope that I use in this size, but that size works for all of their stuff. Or you can keep it stored in, they do send it to you with the label and in a little bag, but I prefer to have mine laid out like this. I don't like my dies loose, okay? I like to spread out my dies in order. It's just my thing. I know. So here is the male die set, and what you see here is the male die set with the Patriotic add-on. Super duper cute. Look at him. So this one covers that Sparkles in June, even though June is over. And I have the hat, which came together super easy. This hat, if you take out those stripes, it can be a solid hat. This could be all year round. It could be for St. Patrick's Day. And the St. Patrick's Day add-on also has a hat. It could be for Christmas. It could be for Halloween, any time of year. But I kept it patriotic. So here are the layers. So you can go plain with just a brim, the stars here, fill in the stars. What was this one? Oh, this one is for the flag. He could be holding the flag. In my case, I did the star. I played with a lot of foil, all different kinds of foil and glitter. So this is not one sheet. This one, which I really love, is a red foil cardstock from Michaels. Then I did glitter here. This is corrugated glitter. Look at that. That's cool too. I got that at Michaels a while back. Then this, I believe this is Tonic Studio. So it's a lot of different textures and glitterati. Set against one of my favorite stencils. This stencil is such a good stencil. I will put a link. I'm going to put a link for everything, but I'm definitely putting a link for it because you see how it says use? I have 2 of it. Why? Because on this one, I have here, I paint splatter. I didn't clean my stencil as quickly as I should. It's a little bit messed up. So this one will be my mixed media version when I'm doing things like paint and all of that on it. And then the other one is just for a straight ink blending because I love this stencil that much. It does not have a bad price point either. So I use this in the background, and the ink on it is brand new from Tim Holtz, Uncharted Mariner. Uncharted. Why do I keep calling this thing Uncharted? Oh, I hate this name. I keep calling it Uncharted. Uncharted Mariner. You know what? This name, this Uncharted, bothers me so much. I don't know why. I keep wanting to call this thing Ancient Mariner. So I may call it Ancient Mariner. You guys can read that. So this is on here I believe I used the Distress ink, not the oxide. And I mixed it with the bottom here, Salvage Patina, and then the Uncharted Mariner up here. The Mariner on top, and then come in, and then on the edges a little bit of black soot. And then I left the stencil on, so I had to tape it all down, use some thick tape, low tack tape so it doesn't tear the paper. So not my Amazon tape, but a different tape. And then I took out my splatter box and did some white splatter. Oh, this is so good. Definitely, guys. This one is like a darker version of Salvage Patina with, it's like a blue teal. Oh, it's good. Tim is just doing some good stuff with the colors. And I will have another video coming out. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow because I have to barbecue and all that, but maybe by Tuesday. Again, Jaded Blossoms, but oh, it's all cowboy and farm goodness. You can come back to watch that one. Jaded Blossom has a new add-on, and I'll put it right here on the screen. This one is from their newest release, that birthday add-on. Love, you'll see the picture right here. Those are good. The girl gnome, like I said, she'll be back in on July 10. Here, this is a stamp from Jaded Blossom, and it was the freebie when I ordered the Patriotic add-on. Here it is. Happy 4th of July. Love, 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 love. I was gonna put a sentiment. It just was taking away from inside. I like it like this, where it's just him, fireworks, done. And I was looking to see if I had any silver glitter embossing powder, but I don't, so I just used some chrome embossing powder. But I think it worked out good. But I think this card is cute. It says a lot right there. Happy 4th of July. All right, that's the first card. Second card now is with the girl gnome. Here she is, all ready to go. Cool and happy. This now is playing with some cardstock from my stash. It is the My Favorite Things Stars and Stripes 6x6 pad. Love, love, love. Yes, it's themed, but you can use it anytime because it also can translate into be like a marine type thing for boating and that type. There's those kind of colors in here too. This is just layering paper. You know, I should have put something right here actually. Yeah. Now I'm looking at it, I'm like, I should have put something right here. I can still fix it though. Cut 2 pieces and just stick them in. Yeah, I may fix this. If I do fix it, I'll show you on the next video how I fix this. I just realized that I should have put something right there. But I just did 1 layer here, 1 1/4 inch, and then here, and this is on a A2 card base, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And here she is in all her goodness. I did ink her here. It's yellow cardstock with some combination of Distress ink, tea dye, and vintage photo. That's the ink that I did to kind of give her that fun hair. And I took out the glasses, and it's not a glasses add-on, but it does work with this set. I keep it with it, but it's actually an older set, I think before they even did the gnomes. Here's the glasses dies. So you can check at Jaded Blossoms and see if it's in stock and on sale. And I believe is this size. It's so cute. And so I layered it up. Let me bring it up closer so you can see how cute she is. That's black cardstock with glossy accents. And then my white gel pen. I layered this up a bunch of times. Look at that. Twice with 110-pound cardstock behind it. So this is 220 plus glitter. So she's solid. She's ready to go. Look at that. Everything is solid. And she's holding that cute little fireworks. Here, I did do the Happy 4th of July with one of their Jaded Blossom labels. It's one of these, I think it's from their tag. And then I put 2 enamel dots. Super cute. But I am going to put something right here. I just realized that now. And if you're wondering, where did all these stars come from? In here. When I was cutting his hat, I got some pop-out stars and I put them here. So this led to that. They're cute. And I still have this whole beach scene to make. So I'm going to show you guys my cowboy farm cards. I'm going to do that video. I think I'm overthinking it. That's why I haven't finished it yet. But it's so cute. So I want to put them on a scene. Just have to get the scene straight in my mind. But cute, right? See, now she could even still be with this stencil, which is the watercolor wash freeform. I forgot to tell you the name of it. 6x6 stencil. Easy to work with and just gives that whole, it gives a scene, but unlike this where it's everywhere, it's more concentrated, so your eyes go right here. It's like scene within a scene. Focused. It gives you a focused view. Love that stencil. Still have this one from before, so I could have put that too. This was when my daughter was in Orlando. See how the gnomes just, look at that. And the USA still comes from that Patriotic add-on. Right there. So this can work too. See, you just have so much options with this great die set. And I just love the add-ons. Thank you, Michelle and Candice, the owners of Jaded Blossom, for just continuing to knock it out the park with the gnomes, with the gnome dies. And now they have that birthday one. I already ordered it. I'm just waiting for it to come. Happy, happy. Alrighty, crafters, enjoy your 4th of July weekend. So until the next video, check out my last video if you are looking to get some great deals this weekend, because this weekend the deals are almost like Black Friday type deals, all right? Very, very close to Black Friday. So you can watch that video, the discount codes and such, and definitely check out Jaded Blossoms because they still have a lot of goodies. Happy shopping, my friends. Enjoy your weekend. And until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.